If the automatic feed is excessive during automatic grinding, the cutting depth will be too large and easily burn the tool. Normally we shift 1 notch. Now make the adjustment. Stop the machine first. Stop the ejector rod right above the angle iron. Now check the position of the feed notch. Set the feed notch to the first position on the left and stop. Loosen the ejector rod sleeve. Lower it all the way down, then fasten it securely. Now run the machine for a test. It should be set to 1 notch now. Normally, use only 1 notch for grinding to avoid excessive feed overheating and blade damage. Now the machine can perform automatic grinding. When grinding blades, we usually use the left side of the grinding wheel viewed from the operator's position. Grind with the left grinding wheel and raise the right grinding wheel by 5 mm to 1 cm. If the motor angle is incorrect, please adjust it. Loosen the 2 large screws on the disc under the motor base. After loosening the screws, tilt the motor slightly. Do not grind with both sides of the grinding wheel. At the same time, direct the water outlet of the water pipe towards the blade during grinding. You need to manually press the lubrication pump every day while the machine is grinding blades. It supplies lubricant to the whole machine centrally. Press the pump 2 times each time for lubrication. When small burrs appear on the front edge of the blade, after the machine runs automatic grinding for a period of time. This means the cutting edge is fully sharpened. At this point, please shift back the automatic tool's feed lever. Let the machine grind back and forth several times without feeding. Let the grinding wheel polish the blade surface. Stop when there are no sparks and the blade surface becomes bright and smooth after polishing. At this point, use a small wooden stick to remove the remaining burrs. Use a wooden stick to gently pull back the blade about 3 to 5 cm from the tip. Then reposition the wooden stick and keep pushing forward continuously. Keep pushing all the way to the front. Try to push through in one go for the first time. Do not pull back and forth. For the second pass, move the wooden stick back and forth to remove burrs. Let the machine perform reciprocating, finishing until the blade surface is bright and smooth. After removing all burrs, move the machine to the left and stop it. Now the blade is fully sharpened. Level the work table by turning the hand wheel. Turn off the electromagnetic chuck, water pump, and grinding head. Then take off the blade. After removing the blade, clean the work table thoroughly. Get ready to grind the next blade.